Hey guys, welcome back to the Baby Chick YouTube channel. I am Nina Spears, the Baby Chick, and today's video, we are checking out the TernX Luggage Travel Stroller. I am so excited to check this out because once I saw it, I think it launched like a year or two ago, I was super intrigued. I thought this is the first carry-on luggage that actually turns into a stroller. This could be a dream for parents who are constantly traveling with little ones and want to conserve all of their space, because usually it feels like you're bringing so much stuff when you're traveling with kids. So in today's video, we are going to be unboxing the TernX stroller and seeing all of its cool features, and I'm going to be sharing my review of it, what I like, and when I recommend it for families to use. So let's dive in. Now that I got it out of the box, let's see how easy it is to convert this luggage into a stroller. I first see two gray buttons on the sides here. I think I press in, and then I'll extend it out. We hear that click. All right, next thing we're gonna do is press this gray button to extend the handle. Then I see a gray lever here. We're gonna push this downward and pull this up. You can see that there is a little leatherette handle, so we're going to pull this down and pull this up until we hear that click. Then we want to make sure that the bottom is also clicked into place. There we go. Now we have a nice sturdy stroller. I can see here that we have a 5-point harness, which is wonderful, and a center button that we can easily click. Everything pops out of place. And let's see how simple it is to clip everything back in. Easy. And we can also adjust the length here. I believe we can even adjust the height of this seat, which is great. There we go. You just see that? I adjusted the height to be able to accommodate a taller child, which is wonderful. So this is, I believe, the highest. One lower. And then the lowest. So love that height adjustment that we can have for our little ones. All right, we also have an under basket compartment, which is a decent size for being such a small luggage stroller. And then on the back side here is what I was very curious to get a closer look at. So let's see, we have a zipper around here, zipper on this side. And we'll pull down and see what's inside here. So inside, you'll find the instructions to the stroller. And then I can see here there is a zipper compartment, and this is where the sun canopy is. So we can adjust this and provide some shade for our little ones when they are sitting in the stroller, which is wonderful. And I really like that it comes in a compartment, like a little bag, so that's easy to store away. That's really nice. So I'm going to put this back in here. Zip that back up. And I can see here that you can either put more storage in this lower zipper compartment if you're already using the sunshade, or just save this for the sunshade, which is great. But everything in here, look at all of this space. But there is plenty of space here to be able to pack everything that you need for your little one for a quick getaway. I'm going to zip this up. And let's look at putting on this sunshade on the B frame and see how simple that is. You can easily hear how those click into place. And then you have a great canopy for your little one. So if we want to bring this down more, which I probably will, I'll do that right now and show you. And there we have it. Guys, I'm really impressed with the cushion, with the design, with the canopy. All of the materials seem really good quality. Already Maneuverability seems really smooth. So far, so good. Now that we've gotten a full look at how the TernX luggage travel stroller works, I highly recommend for families who are constantly on the go, love to travel. This makes traveling with your baby so much simpler. Some of my favorite features, obviously, that it is a piece of luggage that converts into a stroller so seamlessly that you can easily put it in the overhead compartment when you are flying. I also appreciate that everything clicks into place. It's pretty user-friendly. Thankfully, there is a manual if you do get confused, but everything seems really just intuitive with the design. And all of the materials, I have been highly impressed. The seat is very comfortable. I was really impressed that it can even recline, that the back seat can even be raised, so as your child grows, it can really grow with your child. And I wasn't sure how much could actually fit in the luggage compartment, but I was very pleasantly surprised at how much really can fit in there while you're on the go with your little one. This luggage travel stroller by TernX does retail currently for $700, so that is something to definitely take into consideration before you make this purchase. Are you going to be traveling enough? Is this something that you really need? I will say that if you do travel frequently with your children, this is definitely something that I would recommend to any family. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching our video of the TernX luggage travel stroller. I want to know what your thoughts are. Was this video helpful? Please share your thoughts in the comments below. We look forward to seeing you in the next video.